1. Which method is commonly used to measure blood pressure? A. Sphygmomanometer. B. Thermometer. C. Pulse oximeter आपको. D. ECG machine. Answer. A. Sphygmomanometer. What is the best way to ensure patient identification before medication administration? A. Checking the patient's ID band. B. Asking a family member. C. Verifying with the nurse on duty. D. Observing the patient's behavior. Answer A. Checking the patient's ID band. C. What needs of a patient does a nurse address? Physical. B. Emotional. C. Mental. D. All of the above. Answer D. All of the above. 4. Which route is used for the fastest drug absorption? A. Intravenous. B. Oral. C. Subcutaneous. D. Intramuscular. Answer A. Intravenous. 5. What is the normal body temperature in Celsius? A. 36.5, 37.5, B. 35.5, 36.5, C. 38.0, 39.0, D. 37.5, 38.5. Answer A. 36.5, 37.5 to 6. Which position is ideal for a patient in respiratory distress? A. Fowler's. B. Supine. C. Prone. D. Lateral. Answer A. Fowler's. 7. Which of these is an example of a variation in the newborn resulting from the presence of maternal hormones? A. Engorgement of the breasts. B. Mongolian spots. C. Edema of the scrotum. D. Lamigo. Answer A. Engorgement of the breasts. 8. A client has developed thrombophlebitis of the left leg. What is the most important nursing intervention to prioritize? Elevate leg on two pillows. B. Apply support stockings. C. Apply warm compress. D. Maintain complete bed rest. Answer A. Elevate leg on two pillows. 9. A nurse evaluating a specialist to YEAR. OLD in a clinic should stress which goal when talking to the child's mother? Teaching the child self-care skills. B. Preparing for independent toileting. C. Promoting the child's optimal development. D. Helping the family decide on long-term care. Answer C. Promoting the child's optimal development to 10.D. Nurse is caring for a client in the coronary care unit. The display on the cardiac monitor indicates ventricular fibrillation. What ought to be done first by the nurse? A. Perform defibrillation. B. Administer epinephrine as ordered. C. Assess for the presence of pulse. D. Institute CPR. Answer C. Assess for presence of pulse.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.